Thank you so much for staying with Channel 1 Weekend. I'm Purity Museo. Lucy Mwara is our sign language interpreter tonight. Let's continue with our broadcast. The Kenya National Nurses Association of Kenya is now accusing the Seth Panyako-led Nurses Union and the Council of Governors of politicizing the welfare of healthcare workers in the country. The Nursing Association laments that wrangles between the two parties have completely stalled any meaningful negotiations to end the 2-month-long strike by the healthcare professionals. The association is now pleading with the Nurses Union and CoG to put their differences aside and address issues being raised by the medics. The National Nurses Association of Kenya now attributes the prolonged nurses strike in the country to wrangles between the leadership of the Kenya National Union of Nurses and that of the Council of Governors. The association's chair, Alfred Obengo, warns that politicization of the healthcare sector will not only affect medics but may completely cripple the crucial sector.
Our people have been on strike for around 2 months now. But it's unfortunate that the narrative has not been confined to the specific issues within the bracket that concerns the welfare of healthcare workers.
Obengo accuses the Panyako-led union of diverting from the real issues affecting nurses.
We call upon the leadership of the Nurses Union to address the labor-related issues as per the law requires and not outside the brackets of the law. Both sides, or probably all parties, have politicized this process to the extent that the specific issues that the healthcare workers have been asking for and are still asking for have been masked in a political war between some individuals.
Nurses working in public hospitals in various counties have been on strike for 2 months, demanding, among other things, the provision of quality and adequate personal protective equipment, risk allowance, life and comprehensive medical cover, among others.
The things that do not affect counties, especially this strike, was very uncalled for. It was not necessary because the issues that were being raised were beyond the purview of the county governments.